Hello everyone. Welcome back to Refine English. Today, we will learn an inspiring story in just 3 minutes. Once upon a time, there was a brave king named Robert Bruce. He was the King of Scotland. He wanted to make his country free from enemies, so he fought many great battles, but sadly, he failed 6 times. After the 6th defeat, he felt deeply sad and discouraged. To save his life from enemies, he hid in a dark, lonely cave. While he was resting in the cave, he noticed a tiny spider. The spider was trying to climb up to the ceiling to reach its web. The spider tried, slipped, and fell down 6 times. But the tiny creature did not lose hope at all. It kept trying with great patience. Finally, on the 7th attempt, the spider successfully reached its web. King Bruce was amazed to see this. He thought to himself, if a tiny spider can try 7 times, why can't I? If it can succeed, I can also succeed. With this new hope, he gathered all his courage. He came out of the cave, called his soldiers, fought the final battle, and this time, he won the victory.
Before we move on, let's learn some useful vocabulary from this story. 1. Brave, Shahoshi. Enemies, Shotru. Defeat, Porajoy. Discouraged, Hotash. Dark, Ondhokar. Lonely, Nirjon ba eka. Notice, Lokora. Tiny, Khub choto. Creature, Prani. Patience, Dhoirjo. Amazed, Obak hawa ba bishmito hawa. Courage, Shahosh. Victory, Joy ba bijoy. Pillar, Stombho ba bhitti. Goal, Lokho.
Finally, let's see the moral lesson we can learn from this story. Failures are the pillars of success. Remember, failures are just steps toward your goal, so never give up, just keep trying. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and stay with us for more lessons.